Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Mr. Kovalt, and in this video I'm going to be going over more problems, more examples of how to classify substances as ionic or molecular or covalent. So let's get into this. So in this problem, we're asked to classify each of the following as either a molecular compound or as an ionic compound. And so again, the key for distinguishing between molecular and ionic is whether or not you have a metal and a nonmetal. If you have a metal and a nonmetal, then you have an ionic compound. If you have a no metal and it's all nonmetals, then that indicates you have a molecular or covalent compound. So let's look at our substances and determine if it's ionic or covalent or molecular. All right, so first one we're given is formaldehyde, and we're given the formula CH2O, and this is used in embalming fluids. So if you have a frog that died and you want to preserve it, then you can put it in formaldehyde. Again, embalming fluids are used for preserving bodies. Okay, so here we're given the formula. We have carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. If you look on your periodic table, those three elements lie to the right side of the table. So these are all nonmetals. So again, they're to the left, or I'm sorry, they're to the right of that stairway that marks out where the metalloids or semi-metals are at. And so because these are all nonmetals, that would indicate that formaldehyde is a molecular substance, not a ionic substance. Okay, what about, let's write that down. So it would be molecular. Okay, what about magnesium chloride? MgCl2. This magnesium chloride is used in fireproofing wood. It's also used in paper manufacturing. So if we look at this substance here, the formula, magnesium and chlorine, we'll look for magnesium on the periodic table. You'll find that it is on the left side of the periodic table, and so it is a metal. Chlorine, as we said before, that is on the right side of the table, and so that is a nonmetal. And so we have a metal and a nonmetal put together, and so this is an ionic compound. So let's put ionic. Okay, so one thing to mention about MgCl2 and paper manufacturing in general. So we use chemicals to make paper. And so if we're thinking about, remember the switch to paper straws from plastic straws, and that was going to be a good change. Well, here's the problem with paper straws. Paper straws are made out of chemicals, right? So there are chemicals in the paper. If you're drinking your beverage through a paper straw, you're probably ingesting the chemicals that are in the paper. And so that's probably not going to be good for your health either. So paper straws are probably not the best way to go in replacing your plastic straws. So be warned. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you found this interesting. If you found this interesting, if you learned something from this video, maybe you learned something about paper straws you didn't know before. Make sure you like the video, share it with your friends. Also, make sure you click that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. When you hit the notification bell, make sure that you click all so you'll be notified by all the videos I put out. And finally, put a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Ask me questions. I would love to hear from you. And also, if you have a suggestion for a video, if you want me to answer a question for you or work out a problem, I would love to hear from you. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.